telling all the people in MI4, I said, I'm going to show you a real Bollywood masala picture. हमारी हिंदुस्तानी फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं, गाने होते हैं, बजाना होता है. I'm sure they must be completely taken aback. अरे यार, इतनी तारीफ कैसे होगी? Slumdog Millionaire में काम करने का मौका मिला, 24 में काम करने का मिला, MI4 में काम कर रहा हूँ. शायद मैंने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए. Let's enjoy life and forget about everything.
We have this today, Mr. Anil Kapoor, who's promoting his next film, No Problem. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, first of all, sir.
Thank you very much.
No problem, no problem.
All of us at Bollywood Hungama, we were really very happy when we came to know that you're doing Mission Impossible 4. It's a big thing.
No, I feel for me, No Problem is bigger, to be honest with you. Because No Problem is bigger because I feel No Problem is a kind of a film which is, when all friends come together and make a film and make a very entertaining film. Like Anees also is like a friend because this is my third film with Anees Bajpayee.
Right.
I've done No Entry, Welcome, and I'm super excited about this film. Really, I'm telling you honestly. Matter of fact, I was shooting on MI4 in Dubai, but मेरा दिमाग जो है, I was constantly wanting to come here and be with all my friends. More than the promotion, I just wanted to meet Sunil, I wanted to meet Sanju, I wanted to meet Akshay, I wanted to meet Paresh. And we've really had a blast making this film. And it's really, I was telling all the people in MI4, I said, I'm going to show you a real Bollywood masala picture.
It's a slice of Slumdog Millionaire.
हाँ, तो मैं उनको ये फिल्म दिखाने वाला हूँ कि भाई हमारी हिंदुस्तानी फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं. हम लोग entertain, गाने होते हैं, बजाना होता है. And they love all these kind of things. और comedy होती है, and slightly larger than life, and slightly, it's situational comedy and all. So I am, matter of fact, I am very excited about this.
In fact, like we saw the story that you gave preference to shooting an episode of KBC.
6,40,000 का सवाल था. कैसे इसका जवाब दीपक राम बहू कामले, एक छोटे से गांव लोनार में रहने वाला इंसान कैसे दे सकता है?
That was just how the press is. मैंने अपना काम खत्म किया वहाँ और फिर मैं आया. मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट उस दिन रात को मैं 4 बजे तक शूटिंग की और फिर पहले 4 बजे की फ्लाइट थी. फ्लाइट को मुझे कैंसिल करना पड़ा, इसलिए शायद उन्होंने लिखा. फिर उसके बाद मैंने 9 बजे की फ़्लाइट ली और फिर मैं सीधा फिल्म सिटी गया. वहीं मैंने नहाया और फिर KBC के लिए प्रमोट करने के लिए नो प्रॉब्लम के लिए मैं वहाँ गया.
If you look at your career in say Hindi films, there are many films that you've done, like say full-on entertaining, commercial, and say as you said, brainless entertainers. No, it's comedy.
I have not. You can't call No Entry brainless.
Like say Deewana Mastana and many a time.
Brainless, it's situational.
Humor.
It's not brainless. Brainless is, you see, I don't think so. I can be part of a brainless film. Yes, of course, it's entertainment, it's fun, it's song and dance and, ensemble star cast. जैसे नसीब, मनमोहन देसाई ने कैसे बनाई थी? सब इतने सारे star cast. This is that kind of a film. Huge star cast, huge sets, great scenes and, great character actors also. There's Paresh, there's Shakti, there's Ranjit.
Vijay Raj, I think, is a very good actor.
Vijay Raj is there. He is fantastic in this film. So it's supported very well. With all these leading men, there are a lot of great actors supporting us. It's a kind of a ensemble. Like for example, I think one example which I can give an ensemble which has released, which is really an ensemble film is Hangover. No, obviously Hangover ka script or No Problem, it's completely two different films. But it's this is that kind of a film where it has got actors who really suit the role. ये नहीं है कि यार ये हीरो को लो और पिक्चर बेचेंगे हम लोग. ऐसा नहीं है. मैं जो रोल कर रहा हूँ अर्जुन सिंह का, I suit the role.
So you're playing an inspector.
I'm playing an inspector.
And your wife wants to kill you every day.
Yeah. She's got this problem.
Sushmita Sen is playing the wife.
Yeah.
पापा जी, आपने किस किस्म की बेटी मेरे पल्ले बांध दी? 24 घंटे में ये तीसरा अटैक है.
उसको हर रोज 24 घंटे में 10 मिनट का दौरा पड़ता है. where she gets split personality और she wants to kill me. कभी तलवार से, कभी बंदूक से, कभी पिस्तौल से. और एक टाइम ऐसा आता है she gets so frustrated with me कि 3 बार उसको अटैक आता है दिन में. इमेजिन मेरा क्या हाल होगा.
मिट्टी डाल नायडू, पुरानी बातों पर मिट्टी डालो.
हर बात पे मिट्टी डालने का बड़ा शौक है ना तुझे? ले, मिट्टी खा. और
Anees Bazmee, as you said that you've had a wonderful kind of track record, both Welcome and No Entry, they did very well. Welcome, many people said that your performance was even better than Akshay Kumar. You just
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. You see, कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ you should never take that seriously. I've never taken it seriously कि who's better, who's not. It's not a boxing match.
Majnu Bhai is something that
Sometimes some characters come across very well and people find those characters very, very lovable. So that's what it is. I think everybody in Welcome also did very well. Akshay Kumar was equally good. Nana Patekar was fantastic. And even I had a damn good role in the film.
और हमारे से ज्यादा शरीफ खानदान आपको पूरे शहर में नहीं मिलेगा. प्लीज वेलकम.
वो फिल्म तो मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुने बिना किया. I have got that kind of faith in Anis Bazmi. वो मुझे रफली 2 मिनट में आइडिया सुनाते हैं और मैं बोलता डन, पिक्चर कर रहे हैं. जैसे इसकी फिल्म नो प्रॉब्लम का मुझे उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनाया, मैं भी था और अक्षय भी था. हमने मेरे ख्याल से स्क्रिप्ट सुना, 15-20 मिनट सुना, हमारा ये फिल्म बनाते हैं, मैं खुद प्रोड्यूस करूँगा. And then we all got together and made this film. There is Rajat, myself, and there is Spice, Mr. B.K. Moti. So we all of us got together and have made No Problem with Anis Bazmi at the helm of Fez.
The box office is a tricky thing for almost, I think, everybody. Many a times, like say, I was just reading about you before I came here today, and there are many films that you've done and which have been critically acclaimed like big time. Like say, your performance in Lamhe. There are many other films that you've done which have been really appreciated at the level of criticism and everything. But maybe they didn't do that well.
I've been very fortunate. There are films which I've done which have been critically successful, critically accepted, appreciated, and became big success. Virasat, again, critically acclaimed but hugely commercially successful.
Virasat definitely. Virasat was a commercial like in every sense of the word.
Lamhe is the only film which matter of fact was critically panned also. Matter SG was very upset. It didn't get good reviews also in a certain places. People loved it. People all over the world loved it. People over here also loved it.
Overseas, I think it did well.
It did very well. But critics ने भी यहाँ बुराई की थी यार. यार पिक्चर वो बात नहीं है.
तुम सुनो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया.
अरे हेरा फेरी यार प्रियदर्शन की यार, which has become a cult film. Critics panned the film
Initially.
So sometimes it happens that sometimes their films are critically panned, but after a few years when you see, then you realize no, they were damn good films. When they become hugely successful and people go and see it again and again. I feel even critics or box office all fate. It's destiny. उस वक्त आपका क्या frame of mind है? Critics का क्या frame of mind जब वो film देख रहे हैं? कभी-कभी कोई अच्छी फिल्मों को भी बेचारों को critically they're not appreciated. And there are certain times a very average film has got phenomenal critical acclaim. और बाद में पता चलता है यार ये पिक्चर तो खोखली थी. Sometimes a very commercially like Dabang or Wanted, Not only they became commercially successful, but few of the critics also liked the film, loved the film. I'm sure they must be completely taken aback. अरे यार इतनी तारीफ कैसे हो गई? So it's all timing. And sometimes films become huge successes and they're critically, they're not accepted, appreciated. But you have to take it.
Like say, Welcome did not get good reviews.
Yeah, it didn't get great reviews, So that's part of sometimes even actors. People in the audience love you, but critically, एक दो line आपकी बुरे लगते हैं. तो it's a balance. You have to, with experience, you come to know what to take and what not to take.
Something about if you can get to know about Mission Impossible 4, what kind of buzz has been there, like say in Hollywood, and what kind of responses have you been getting?
It's too early to talk about it. It's going to release next year. But yes, of course, I have already shot for the film, and it was a wonderful experience. And of course, just being part of a small part of such a huge franchise is an honor.
You're playing the villain in that?
Well, yes, I'm playing a bad guy.
But that gives you a lot of scope for performance.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. When you see it, it's fun. It's fun. It's one of the biggest films being made in the world. And it's Tom Cruise's production. So, well, I'm lucky. I'm fortunate. I've been कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे मेरी ज़िंदगी में कि मुझे Slumdog Millionaire में काम करने का मौका मिला, मुझे 24 में काम करने का मौका मिला और मुझे अभी आज मैं इस फिल्म में MI4 में काम कर रहा हूँ. शायद मैंने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए हैं
apart
या
from doing अच्छे कर्म, आप जितनी आप मेहनत करते हैं. In fact, I was reading one of the tweets of Preeti Zinta, and she was saying that in the gym I saw Anil Kapoor, and the way he was slogging it out on the treadmill was an inspiration in its own way. I think you take your work and everything very seriously.
No, it's not. I don't take it seriously. I enjoy it. If I take it seriously, I'll make the whole. I can't do a film like no problem. I can't do no entry. I can't do welcome. I enjoy my work. I have fun. It's a journey, and we've been very fortunate. I'm very fortunate, very lucky that today I'm in a profession where I'm paid so well, and there's so much of respect, and there's so much of fame which you get, and you are enjoying what you're doing. There are so many people who are successful in their lives and made a lot of money, but they don't enjoy what they do. Here we enjoy what we do. We have lots of fun. And you get to work with the most beautiful girls.
Right.
You travel all over the world, meet different kind of people all over the world, and you're being paid for it.
Recently, Sonam and Deepika, they had gone on this episode of Coffee with Karan. Quite a bit of controversy has come out of that. There was a story in Midday the other day, and Mr. Rishi Kapoor is quite upset with all the things that happened about Ranbir Kapoor and all. And you guys share a wonderful relationship, and he said that he shares a wonderful relationship with Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
So has it in any way? Have you seen that episode?
I've not read it. Neither have I seen the. And these things I don't take it seriously. To be honest with you, I understand. I take it with a pinch of salt. I feel it's ultimately, there are certain things which people don't take it so seriously. Neither कोई interview किसी में आता है उसको भी कोई seriously लेता नहीं है, ना उसको कोई seriously लेता है. 2 दिन में सब भूल जाते हैं.
Ranbir is a great actor, but sex appeal.
Zero on sex
No,
appeal.
I mean, only when he strips. When he did Jab Se Tere Naina, he needs to take off his clothes to look
For him to be
sexy.
sexy.
Because she's seen all of it, so now
I had no choice. It was assisting Sanjay, so every time the fan went on.
So it's better that I've got so many other things. मेरे को इतने काम है, नो प्रॉब्लम को प्रमोट करना है, मुझे जाना है, यहाँ करना है, हजारों काम करने हैं. अभी इसके बीच में मैं कहाँ इस पे क्या बारे में कमेंट करूँ यार? Let's enjoy life and forget about everything. I feel that's what it is.
But what do you think of Sonam as, like say, the way she's been accepted as a fashion icon and as an actress, the way she's been appreciated?
She's worked very hard. She's worked very, very hard. Matter of fact, from the time she became an assistant to Sanjay Bhansali till today, her journey has been much, much tougher than what I went through. I'm being very honest about it. Okay, obviously, because I was, nobody, I was an underdog, nobody knew who I was and from where I came from, so nobody wrote about it, So everybody felt that बहुत मैंने कहाँ से चंबूर से आया और मैं LA पहुँच गया and all those kind of things. Also, they romanticized the whole thing. Obvious, but I can see that she has worked really, really hard. And she's still working so hard. It's unbelievable. Matter of fact, she almost works for 18 to 20 hours a day. Right. And whatever she does with a lot of commitment, a lot of sincerity, and the kind of foundation she has with Black when she was an assistant director, then she worked in Savaria with Sanjay Bhansali, who's a really hard taskmaster. Matter of fact, when I worked in my first film like Bapu and Vishwanath, वो तो फूल की तरह रखते थे यार. Absolutely फूल की तरह रखते थे. इतना, he's a very, 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 and matter of fact, it was good. Right. It was good because she had not done any formal training. So this training of being such a hard taskmaster was good in a way.
Finally, if you can tell something about your forthcoming films within India. I think you're doing Power and you've gone for a bold...
I'm doing Tez with Priyadarshan, and then I'm doing Power with Rajkumar Santoshi. I'm doing Race 2, and I'm doing No Entry 2. So this will be my next films in India. And
I think you're working on a production for where Sonam is working as well?
Yes, I'm doing production. Obviously, I'm developing quite a few projects, and very soon I'm going to announce them.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Mr. Kapoor, for talking to us on Bollywood Hungama, and all the best wishes for No Problem and all your other future ventures. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.